I really need somebody. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body.
Hey beauties, and welcome back to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. We are back with a new video today, and today's hair is sponsored by UNICE Hair. Now, of course, in my little care package, they sent me all the little goodies and all the essentials that you need to complete you a nice, quick little glueless wig install. And they sent me over this beautiful espresso brown with some highlights, okay? Pre-everything, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-curled, okay? Y'all see the wig. Let's get into it. And this wig was so pretty, y'all. And I will be doing a nice, quick, and easy glueless install for y'all today. And y'all, it is so pretty. Like when I say the brown tones against my skin gave everything. Like this is by far one of my favorite brown wigs I have ever reviewed. And y'all, it was so pretty, okay? So I went ahead and did me a little bead. Y'all know I do what I do every time I do it. And I'm just going to go ahead and place the wig on my head. And you know what's so crazy about this install, y'all? I didn't even put no foundation on the inside of my lace. And once I sprayed it on, it blended in so good. But this is what the wig looks like right on my head. But I did not want a middle part today, y'all. So we're going to do a nice little side part. So I'm going to go ahead and just rotate the wig just a little bit. I did not do no sideburn or anything like that. I just kept it pretty simple and just did a regular side part and just swooped me a little temple baby hair and just kept the rest down. I didn't want to cut all that extra, you know, lace from around the ears and all that. I just wanted to keep it very simple, okay? So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and create my nice little, you know, side part. And once I get my side part all, you know, sorted out, I'm going to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb and just sleek down this area really good. Also pulling down my baby hair section. And then we're going to spray this wig right on, blow dry it and tie it down. Okay, so very simple, very easy, but the end look is so pretty.
I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Only because you ain't here.
So now I'm going to take my Paul Mitchell holding spray and I'm just going to spray it on the top of my parting area. Just make sure everything is nice and sleek and held into place. And then I'm going to also spray that on my hairline to secure the lace down as well. And as I mentioned, y'all, I did not even put foundation at the bottom of my wig and it still blended in with my skin perfectly once I sprayed it and tied it down. Like this wig is a 10 out of 10, y'all. I'm not going to lie. I absolutely love it. I love the color. I love the construction. Everything. I just love that it's just it was just so cute, y'all.
You're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging. If I live in the air, my cold flame, dripping everywhere I'm on. I don't even care as long as you're laying in my bed. I'm cold. What everyone said, I'm all in. I couldn't care less as long as you're blue. Fever, cold as ice so you can be up. You love that blue. Fever, cold as ice so you can be up.
So now I'm just parting out my baby hair section and I'm going to go ahead and finish tacking down the rest of that lace. Just going in with a hot comb wax stick, moving that out the way, and then I'm going to go back in with the holding spray to spray the rest of that lace down. And then I'm going to take my melt band and then tie it down, okay? Simple, easy, like I said. And once I tie on that melt band, I'm just going to go in with my razor comb and just razor a little bit of front layers in the front of this wig so I could go ahead and curl the wig right back up and then comb everything into place.
trust in. But I let my guard down for you. Said I put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. I'm a dog, I'm a mother. No crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 live on pants size, cause I'm trying to break it in. New condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush?
And now I'm gonna go ahead and begin to cut the layers in the front with the razor comb, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish curling the rest of the wig. As y'all can see, I combed the curls out and they're kind of like not there, so I'm just gonna go in with the razor comb, just add a little face framing layer on both sides, and then I'm just gonna curl everything away from my face. And yeah, we're gonna take that band off, do that one little baby hair right there, and then just, you know, comb everything into place.
This one I got you with the jabata. Me, I know get time, I did that back down. That cover my face, calling me that back down. Biggie man, we don't be where I back down. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to get one way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the men.
And now that one side is curled, I'm just going to continue to go in with my T3 curler and curl up the other side away from the face as well. And once again, y'all, once I finish curling up everything on this side, I will go ahead and remove that melt band and do my one baby hair in my temple area, and then you know, comb the curls out and everything into place.
Concentrate, because I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a son, I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, now.
Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar.
And just keeping it real simple and easy. We're just gonna cut and, you know, curl and swoop. Very simple, very easy. And then once we're done with that, we'll be able to comb everything into place and style it to our desired look. Because sometimes you got to comb out your curls and then recurl a few pieces and, you know, keep combing and playing with it till you get it how you want it. But just, you know, do what you do. And I am just going to be using holding spray for my edges as usual. I'm just using my edge brush and a little holding spray to get me down and intact.
Bum to me, like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause you know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like you'll send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause you know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me,
And now I'm just going to comb and play with it until I get my desired look. I might have to go back in, recomb, recurl. You just want to do it till you get the hair to your liking. But when I say this color eats down bad, y'all, it eats so nicely, especially with my skin tone. Like, oh my God, it's just giving like chocolate. Hershey Kiss, little Reese's Pieces, Buttercup. I'm loving it. Little Snicker bar. It is so pretty. Just even that little highlight strip right there in the bang area. Like, y'all, I absolutely loved this wig. Love this color. Love the install. Love this unit. Like, oh my God, y'all, it just gave so bad. And I was getting so many compliments with this color against my skin tone. Like, the makeup, everything just came together so nicely, so soft, so pretty, so girly. Y'all, I loved it down bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm going to finish doing a few little touches, and then I'm going to show y'all, you know, a quick little 360, just making sure I brush everything out. And if I need to go back and curl some pieces, I will. If I don't, then I'm cool. But y'all, sus is giving everything and more. And this is a glueless, y'all. Glueless, okay? Like, glueless. And look at the color combination. It's so pretty. The wig is long, it's giving, it's bouncy. Absolutely I loved it. Okay, y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is a Expresso brown highlight wig from UNICE Hair. Just give y'all some more looks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.